Installing ceramic skirting tiles. A comprehensive guide. Installing ceramic skirting tiles along the wall is an essential step in both interior and exterior finishing, especially in areas prone to moisture and dampness. This process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the space, but also serves a functional purpose by protecting the lower sections of the walls from water damage, dirt accumulation, and potential deterioration over time. In this guide, we walk you through the step-by-step process of installing skirting tiles, ensuring durability, proper alignment, and a professional finish. Why use skirting tiles? Skirting tiles, often referred to as baseboard tiles, are commonly installed along the bottom edge of walls to create a seamless transition between the floor and the wall. They act as a protective barrier, preventing moisture from seeping into the walls, especially in humid environments such as kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Without proper skirting, water can easily ripple into the plaster or drywall, leading to mold growth, paint peeling, and even structural issues over time. Additionally, skirting tiles add a decorative touch that complements the overall flooring design. They cover uneven edges and gaps where the floor meets the wall, ensuring a polished, finished look. This is particularly important in commercial spaces, where cleanliness and aesthetics are a priority. Materials and tools needed. Before starting the installation, ensure you have the following materials and tools ready. Materials: ceramic skirting tiles, matching or contrasting with floor tiles, tile adhesive or mortar, grout and sealant for finishing, silicone sealant for waterproofing. Tools: notched trowel for spreading adhesive, tile spacers to maintain even gaps, level and measuring tape for precise alignment, tile cutter or grinder for adjustments, rubber mallet for tapping tiles into place, sponge and bucket for cleaning excess grout, mixing, paddle and drill for adhesive preparation if using powdered adhesive. Step 1. Preparing the wall surface. Start by cleaning the wall surface thoroughly. Remove any dust, debris, or previous coatings that might interfere with the adhesion of the tiles. If the wall is uneven, use a leveling compound or smooth out rough patches to create a flat surface. This step is crucial to ensure that the skirting tiles adhere properly and align uniformly along the wall. Common mistakes to avoid: skipping the cleaning process, which can lead to poor adhesion, applying tiles on a damp wall, which may cause future detachment, not using a primer on higher, porous walls, which can reduce adhesive effectiveness. Step 2. Measuring and marking. Using a measuring tape, determine the height at which the skirting tiles will be installed. Standard skirting heights range between 10 cm to 15 cm, but this may vary based on personal preference or project requirements. Mark a straight guideline along the wall using a chalk line or laser level to maintain a uniform height during installation. Step 3. Applying tile adhesive. Using a notched trowel, apply a layer of tile adhesive evenly along the bottom of the wall, covering the area where the skirting tiles will be placed. For better adhesion, you can also apply a thin layer of adhesive to the back of each tile, back buttering. Ensure that the adhesive is spread uniformly to prevent
air gaps behind the tiles. Pro tips: use high quality adhesive to improve durability and longevity. Work in small sections to prevent the adhesive from drying too. Quickly check the adhesive manufacturer's instructions for drying times. Step 4. Installing the skirting tiles. Begin placing the tiles along the wall, pressing them firmly into the adhesive. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap each tile into place, ensuring proper adhesion. Insert tile spacers between tiles to maintain even spacing, which will later be filled with grout. Work in small sections, checking alignment with a level as you go to avoid crooked installations. Common issues and solutions: tiles not aligning correctly. Readjust while the adhesive is still wet. Adhesive oozing out. Use a sponge to remove excess before it hardens. Step 5. Cutting and adjusting tiles when reaching corners or obstacles. Use a tile cutter or grinder to trim the skirting tiles to the required size. For inside and outside corners, make precise cuts to achieve a clean and professional finish. Ensure that all cut edges are smooth to avoid sharp or uneven joints. Expert advice, always. Measure twice before cutting to avoid wastage. Wear protective goggles and gloves when cutting tiles. Step 6. Grouting the joint sunts. The adhesive has dried, typically 24 hours. Remove the tile spaces and begin applying grout between the joints using a grout float. Spread the grout evenly and press it firmly into the gaps. After 10 to 15 minutes, use a damp sponge to wipe off excess grout, ensuring a neat and polished look. Grouting mistakes to avoid. Overwatering the grout, which weakens its durability. Not sealing the grout properly, leading to water infiltration.
Step 7. Sealing for moisture protection. To further enhance moisture resistance, apply a thin bead of silicone sealant along the top edge of the skirting tiles where they meet the wall. This prevents water infiltration and helps in maintaining a waterproof barrier, particularly in wet areas like bathrooms or laundry rooms. Step 8. Cleaning and final inspection. After the grout has dried, clean the tiles with a soft cloth or sponge to remove any remaining residue. Conduct a final inspection to check for gaps, uneven tiles, or loose edges. If needed, apply additional grout or sealant for a flawless finish. Final touches. Buff the tiles with a dry cloth for extra shine. Inspect for any hollow-sounding tiles and reapply adhesive if necessary. Conclusion. By installing ceramic skirting tiles correctly, you significantly reduce the risk of moisture damage, enhance the durability of your walls, and add an elegant finishing touch to your space. Whether you are working on a residential or commercial project, paying attention to detail in skirting tile installation ensures long-lasting results that combine both functionality and aesthetics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tile installation tips and tricks. Chapter 11. Sealing for moisture protection. Apply silicone sealant along the top edge of the skirting tiles to create a waterproof barrier, especially in bathrooms and wet areas. Chapter 12. Cleaning and final inspection. Wipe off excess grout with a sponge and inspect for any misaligned tiles. Apply additional sealant if necessary. Chapter 13. Common installation mistakes. Skipping surface preparation leads to poor adhesion. Not using tile spaces results in uneven gaps. Overwatering grout weakens its durability. Chapter 14. Maintenance and tile prep. Regular cleaning. Use a damp cloth or mild detergent. Avoid harsh chemicals. Can damage tile surface. Reapply sealant periodically. Ensures continued water resistance. Chapter 15. Alternative. Skirting options. Wooden skirting, suitable for dry areas. PVC skirting, affordable and water resistant. Metal skirting, modern and durable. Chapter 16. Cost estimation. The cost of installing skirting tiles depends on tile material and quality, labor, costs, area size. Chapter 17. DIY versus professional installation. DIY. Pros: cost-effective, hands-on experience. DIY cons: requires precision and effort. Professional pros: high-quality finish, less hassle. Professional cons: higher cost. Chapter 18. Environmental impact of tiles. Ceramic tiles are eco-friendly due to their long lifespan and minimal waste. Choose sustainable options for greener construction. Chapter 19. Skirting tiles in different settings. Residential homes enhances durability and style. Commercial buildings provides professional appeal. Industrial areas protects walls from impact and damage. Chapter 20. Final thoughts and recommendations. By installing ceramic skirting tiles correctly, you reduce moisture damage, improve durability, and enhance aesthetic appeal. Attention to detail ensures long-lasting results for both residential and commercial spaces. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tile installation tips and tricks.